Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm here to help you save. I should start saying that, huh? I am here for my Walmart video for you guys, and for my midweek, midweek, I need 10 rebates for $1. If I hit it, I hit it. If I don't, I just don't. Simple as that. I'm not overspending for $1. I'm not just going to do that. I'm just not going to. This should be pretty easy though. I'm gonna go for the 10. If I can hit it, I'll hit it. If I can't, then I won't. But if you're new here, yes. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to make sure twice. Make sure that your post notifications are on so you never ever miss out. And while you're at it, make sure that you're actually subscribed, because I know sometimes you think you are and you're not. And so I'm gonna make this really, really quick. We're gonna head in and knock out these deals for you. Hopefully I can do real time. I really, really like real time. But it all depends on how it is when I get in the store. So I will see you in the store. And let's see what kind of deals we can grab this week at Walmart. Alright guys, so the first deal that we're going to be doing is on the best foods. I figured why not? It's really inexpensive. It's about to be summertime, so why not stock up on condiments? And so we're going to grab the best food garlic sauce, which is priced at our spread, which is priced at $3.88. I did scan it. It is scanning for $4.12, so I'm going to take a picture and have them honor the shelf price of $3.88. Now for this, I do have a $1 coupon from our inserts right here. There's also a printable that works as well. So we end up paying $2.88 out of pocket, but then we'll get back, we're gonna get back 600 kicks on Shopkick right there, which is $2.40. And we're also gonna get back 75 cents on Fetch Reward, which is going to bring that down to being a 27-cent moneymaker. Now we're also going to grab the Best Food Spicy Meal as well, which is priced at $4.12. For that, we're using the same $1 coupon. We're getting back 600 kicks on Shopkick as well for the spicy. And then again, 75 cents on Fetch Reward as well, which is the same offer. This is a limit of 5. I've already done it twice. And so it's going to make that only 3 cents. I'm going to grab again. It's on the Sir Kensington Everything sauce. Make sure you check the expiration dates on these. I think Miss Danielle was talking about it in one of her videos. I believe she's the one that mentioned it, but this one expires literally June 3rd. And it doesn't even look, I don't know, it just looks flipping weird. So make sure you check expiration dates. I'm going to go ahead and just grab 2 of them. And then be getting back $1.80 for each on Fetch Reward. We'll also be getting back $3 for each on Ibotta. Now I also have a 50-cent bonus as well. And then 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40. So basically both of them will end up being free plus a $3.58 moneymaker. All right, the last thing over here I'm going to be grabbing is going to be the Best Foods sesame ginger sauce, priced at $3.48. We're using this $1 coupon right here from inserts. We'll end up paying $2.48 out of pocket, getting back 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40. It'll bring that down to only 8 cents. All right, next up is going to be the Coffee Mate. It's on the plant-based creamer. It's priced at $4.26. We're going to grab 1 of them. We're getting back $2 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $1.25 on Tada. I'm making this only $8.01. So my next deal is going to be on the Airwick. It's on the double pack. They're priced at $3.97. And we do have a rebate on Ibotta for $3 back when you buy 1, making that 97 cents. I think we have a rebate on this for Ibotta as well. It just popped up. It's priced at $10.48 and $3 $3 back on Ibotta. $5 on coupons.com, Alexa, our ShopMium, our Swagbucks are Tada, which will bring that down to $2.48. Now we do still have an Airwick rebate, spend 15 get back 5 going on. So I suppose you could buy, let's see, if you bought this one right here, priced at $12.58 plus what, $3.97, which would be $16.48 you would pay out of pocket. but you would get back $5 on coupons.com, Alexa, our Shop Me, and Martada, our Swagbucks. You would get back $3 on Ibotta for the diffuser mister thinger, and you would get back $3 for the refill, or for the warmer rather, and then you get back the $5 rebate. So it'd make it 48 cents for both of them. That's an option, but I already did the rebate like forever ago, so if you haven't did that yet, I'll link it for you in the description. Focus, man. Alright guys, so this next is going to be on the all free and clear. It's on the Mighty Packs. Now I have gotten the this one here before, not that count, that's a 21 count, but I have gotten that one. I got that one in my last video. It was priced for the same. The coupon worked, Ibotta worked, but they don't have it. And so I'm gonna grab this one right here, which is priced at $3.98. Use this $2 coupon right here from our inserts, pay $1.88 out of pocket, and get back $2 on Ibotta, making that a 2-cent moneymaker. Shut the freaking front door. I swear, didn't I just say, I'm surprised these haven't gone up in price, because it's been like the same price forever and ever. And deadass, they're $3.30, just crazy. Alright, so you Kotex, you buy Kotex, the liners, 50 count, $3.30, and 40 count, also $3.30. You're gonna grab one, you'll get back $8.50 on Ibotta. Also gonna get back $2 on Shop Me, Alexa, coupons.com, Swagbucks, or Tada. Making them a 20-cent moneymaker. So still a small moneymaker, but yeah. Alright, so next up is going to be the Carefree liners. They're priced at $3.58. We're going to grab 2 of them. We're going to end up paying how much? We're going to end up paying $7.16 out of pocket for 2 of them, but we'll get back $3 for buying 2 on coupons.com, Alexa, Shop Me, Tada, Swagbucks. And then we also have $3 back on Ibotta as well. It'll bring that down to $1.16 for both of them, or 58 cents each. Alright guys, so this next deal is going to be on the Suave. They are priced at $5.23, and we're going to be grabbing a total of 2 of them. Now I do have a 2 off of 2 printable that I'm going to use. One of you guys said that it was working, so I figured why not try. And so this will bring the total down to paying $8.46 out of pocket, but we're going to get back 1,050 kicks, which is $4.20 on Shopkick times 2, making them only 3 cents each. All right, next up is the Shek Hydro Ultra Sensitive. It's priced at $9.97. You're going to grab 1 and get back $6 on Ibotta. We're also going to be getting back $4 on coupons.com, Alexa, Shop Me. You might have it on Tada, you might have it on Swagbucks as well, and that's going to make it a 3-cent moneymaker, so I'll probably go ahead and do it on Shop Me and Alexa, making it a $4.03 moneymaker. So reporting from the makeup aisle. So we're going to grab Revlon. Now we do have some Revlon rebates on Ibotta. We have Lip and Eye for $4, limit of 5. We also have the one for $7.96 when you buy 2. That popped up again as well. And then we also have foundation as well. So I'm going to grab the lip up here. It's number 665, which is Plum. Alright, focus, focus, focus. It's Plum, number 665. Okay, that is the one that you want to... that's the one you want to price match the online price, which is $2.01, and then you'll get back $4 on Ibotta. So it ended up being $1.99 money make with a limit of 5. So I don't know how lucky I'm gonna get to be able to price match 5 of them, but I will sure try on that. The other thing that we're gonna be grabbing over here, down here, is on the Color Stay Brow Fantasy pencil. It's number 105 brunette. It's cheaper online as well. That one actually just went back down for me because for a minute there it had jumped back up to regular price, and I couldn't price match it anymore, but now it's gone back down to $2.54. So we're gonna price match that, and we're gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. Your total is going to come to $5.08, but then you're going to get back, Hold on, I gotta scan it on Ibotta to make sure it scans. Hold on. So that one, it says it doesn't qualify. It has qualified in the past though. And it is an eye product. It should qualify. But it's saying that it doesn't qualify. Let me see. Offer excludes. Oh, offer excludes the Color Stay eye products. So, but that one did, it actually did work for the other one though. It worked for, which one was it? It worked for the $4 one. So, yeah. So if you wanted to grab that one at $2.54, so it'd be $1.46 moneymaker. Of course, I'm gonna shoot for those over there rather than this one. I wish it would have worked for that rebate. That would have been really cool. So we're over here with the CoverGirl because we have digitals on coupons.com, Alexa Shop Ma'am. And so I'm gonna be price matching. I was gonna price match number 520, which is soft blonde. I believe that one is $226. 500 is another cheap one that you can price match online. It's $228. So gonna price match the online price for that, and then submit on Shop Ma'am for $4. It'll make that $1.72 money maker. And so I'm just gonna grab one of them. This last deal I'm gonna grab over here is on the CoverGirl Clean Matte. We're gonna be price matching. Well, there's a few shades that are cheaper online. Number 520, which is light, and 540, as well as 550. They are cheaper online. They are $3.51, and it does work for a $4 rebate on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shop Ma'am. All right, so that would end up being a 49-cent moneymaker. Really quick, I'm back down here to the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. I know we have rebate on Ibotta for $4. You might still have offers on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shop Ma'am. I don't think I mentioned that when I talked about the other deal that we did over here with the lip liners. But some of these are cheaper online. As cheap as, let me see,
$5.93 for this one. That's, which one is that? Probably one of the darker colors over here. That one is $4.10 cappuccino, which is this one right here. Let me see what other ones are cheaper. I'm not gonna do this deal because I ain't trying to pay for something I am not gonna fucking use. I don't wear makeup. You guys know I don't wear makeup. And then caramel, which is right here. This is another one that's $5.93. So if any of these are your shades, you can price match them.
I'm not gonna bore y'all with this makeup because I am not even gonna do it. I just wanted to mention it in case any of you guys use this and this is your brand of choice. Rebate on Ibotta is $4, and you can price match them as low as $5.93. And so yeah. And we're also grabbing the chips. I know I don't mention it all the time, but I do grab some when I come. They are 49 cents each. You're gonna grab 5 of them for a total of $2.45. We're using this 3 off of a total of 5 coupon here. It scans perfectly fine. Just gonna give you 55 cents of overage. So I'm gonna grab probably 10 bags. And so yeah. The last thing I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Gatorade Fast Twitch. Price at $2.18. You're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta, and you're also gonna get back $1 on coupons.com, Alexa, our Shop Ma'am, our Tada, our Swagbucks. You know how this goes on. So there's definitely options, and so it's gonna bring it down to only 18 cents. Alright guys, and here is my complete haul for today. Everything worked out so amazing. I was able to price match 5 of the Revlon lip, which I wasn't sure because sometimes they'd be like limited me and saying, okay, you can only do 2 or you can only do 3. But they was able to do 5 for me, which is really cool. I did 2 CoverGirls with 2 separate transactions to submit to each of my Shop Ma'ams. I went ahead and added the Cetaphil. This is a deal from CVS. It popped up on Ibotta for me again today. So I wanted to try out and see if it would work with the wipes again. It has been working for me. These are priced at $3.69. So I grabbed 3 of them because I figured go big or go home, right? And so I grabbed 3 of them. I used a 6 off of 2 coupon from Inserts and a 3 off of 1. I paid $2.07 and I did get back $7.50 from Ibotta, which is really cool. Grabbing the Crest. This is Joseph's brand of choice, and so whenever I can stock him up, I definitely do. And so these are priced at $2.99. I grabbed 3 of them. and use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. It brought these down to $132 each, which is not bad because it's something that he needs, right? And so here is a look at our receipt. There goes the Cetaphil at the very top. There goes the crest. 6 off 2, 3 off of 1, 5 off of 3 digital. Paid $5.98 out of pocket, and I did get back $7.50 on Ibotta, which was really awesome. Again, really hoping that the Cetaphil will reset for me. I also grabbed more of the Cheetos. I grabbed a total of 10 bags, 5 of the original crunchy, and then 5 of the flaming Cheetos. Here's a glance at my receipts. This is all the receipts except the ones from the swab that I did a few days ago. I did that in my egg video. There goes the price match for the Revlon, and there goes the price match for the CoverGirl. And then again, I got one CoverGirl on a separate transaction. And there goes all of the Awe, the Suave, the Best Foods. And then the last receipt was the Cheetos. And that coupon has been working for me. I've been going to self-checkout. And so as a whole, you guys, this worked out really, really good. I didn't have any issues at all today. Everything retails $152.75. I had $45 in coupon CRTs and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $104.75. And then we walk away with $57.50 from Ibotta, $46 from Shopkick, $25.50 from ShopMam between 2 accounts, $20.50 from Alexa, $5.39 from Fetch, and $125 from Tada. So a total of $155.14 back makes this all a $50.39 moneymaker, you guys, which is so awesome. Our tax was $9.32, so even after tax, we still make $41.07. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on the way out the door, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.